Welcome back, guys. I decided I'm going to do a little unboxing. I finally got a hold of a pair of these. So for a while I've had Sony headphones, but I've never had any real monitor headphones, at least not ones that weren't, let's say, just a little worn or beat up. I talked to someone that's a local dealer for Sony, and they were able to order these at cost for me. And I wanted to use them for some projects and stuff I'm working on, have some good monitor headphones to begin with. Just wanted to go over the box. Nothing too crazy. These have been out for a while, so if you like them, you like them. If not, you don't like them. For those that don't know, monitor headphones are basically supposed to be like a flat, clean, accurate headphone set that you use for like mixing or playback or recording to make sure that something sounds accurate. It's not supposed to be like bass heavy or anything super fun, so don't treat it like that. Don't think there's much I want to go over. I'm also not doing this as anything specific because this is pretty common. I was doing this because I finally got a hold of a pair and I decided to, enjoy the moment. Copyright date, 2021, MDR-7506Q. So I don't know if that's a big version of the variant or not. There's a little seal on the bottom, and I'm going to keep the box. So we're going to just slightly peel it off. I know one of you is going to be upset about my nails not being clipped, but in this case, it actually helps. Yeah, I got the packaging a little bit. That's on the bottom. Yippee. Wonder how different the packaging's changed throughout the years, because Sony's been working on using recycled materials and packaging that's a little more easier to just decay or get rid of. All right, we got the manuals. We got my little carrying case. I might use that a bit. Probably not too much because this is probably going to be stationary, not so much a travel thing. And there they are. Finally listened to some stuff in higher fidelity in a way. Looks nice and smooth. You could probably get a used pair of these for relatively decent at this point. Right now, I think they're about $110 USD in the States at the moment. Fold it up also. In case you have to travel, throw them in the bag. For those that don't know, this little adapter just come off, so depending on what size you're plugging them into, there's that. But yeah, pretty affordable monitor headphones. You probably get a decent used pair for not too expensive at the moment if you're interested in them. Obviously, that will vary a lot more on how worn they are, especially the little felt in your ears, and it depends on, if they kept them clean or not. But yeah, just decided to unbox them. Nothing too crazy this time. Just decided to show them off. I do have some video ideas, and I don't know how well I'll be able to do any video with this. I've stated this before, I've been wanting to do headphone videos or earbud videos, but there's certain terminologies you really need to use in those, or else people just won't listen to you. And I'm not the best at describing like brightness or warmth or depth, extra bass. I have an idea of it, it's just the terminology, I guess. So guys, let me know if you think I should look through all my old headphones I have and kind of just show off my collection of that. I'll be organizing them. They vary in quality. None of them are really the high-end creme de la creme series or anything. As always, stay safe, take care, guys, and expect a video sometime in June. Bye for now.